Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give a quick overview of these nightstands, this set of nightstands, close up of the material, how they come, do you need to assemble them, and all that fun stuff. Now when these arrive, they arrive completely assembled, drawers and everything. All you gotta do is unpack it, and then that's it. The measurements of the top of this size is about 21 1/4 inches. Deep is 15 3/4 inch. The height is right at 24 inches. The material is wood. It's like a solid type wood material. It's definitely on the heavier side. It's definitely not some kind of lightweight wood or anything like that. The drawers come with this hardware that is sort of a brushed nickel. They have built-in slides, so they comes all the way out and it stops, goes all the way back in. These are dovetail seams on all the drawers, which is really nice. The drawers, as I mentioned, come all the way out as far as this far, and what would fit in here is the usable depth is right at 11 inches by 12.5 by right at 3 inches, and so that's the space at the top and the bottom. These are the exact same size. There might be a couple other options from a wood finish, but this is like it's a white, I call it like a semi-gloss smooth finish. It's definitely a nice smooth finish. Trying to get an idea of the decorative design of it. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. I was pleasantly surprised. I thought for sure something like this might need to be assembled or anything like that. It just comes nice and neat. This is the drawer rail system. So you can see kind of how that's configured. Are 3 1/4 inch. 3 1/4 inch apart. So if you wanted to change out the hardware, pretty simple. You just unscrew and just note it's 3 1/4 inches from end to end. The back side is just wood. It's not painted white to match. It's just like a wood finish. I believe these can come either single or in a dual set. They look really nice with this headboard setup that has the matching, the white on it is pretty much identical as far as the bed setup. And this is from a decorative standpoint, white, pink, and white with the drawers on the bed, and everything kind of complements itself. That wasn't the plan, but it worked out really good when everything kind of arrived and we were putting everything together. Also kind of complements drapes in this room. So this has sort of a monochrome white, pink layout. Very, very nice. Kind of give a close-up of the drape setup with the white rod. And then this just happens to be a 4-panel setup as far as the drapes with these really cool decorative designs built in, and they're actually blackout shades. So very cool. So hopefully this answers any question you might have about these drawers, all that goes into them. I would give them definitely a above average, higher end quality construction, just the convenience of pulling it straight out of the box, and you're good to go. If you want to change out the hardware, note that the mounting bolts, hopefully that answers any question you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.